Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Donna from Planning with Donna Smith Wilson. Today I have a quick last week of March, beginning of April spread to welcome in April. So it's all April showers themed with my little boots here. This is from Lynnerdesigns. It was a leftover sticker from one of her stickers I did, and today here's a sneak peek. This is my journaling planner, so I don't do a lot of stickers in it. I use this primarily just as what I said. I use these days to journal. I don't put a lot of stuff all over the place, so that's why this one is sort of super easy to decorate. I normally don't decorate this planner, but I really want to use these stickers. And what I did on these stickers is I literally took my zebra marker and I colored in the white edges because, one, they were getting on my nerves. I couldn't get stuff layered correctly and it was bugging me. So I just decided that I was going to do me and I was going to do what I wanted, and there you go. So just so you know. And I'm just laying down. These stickers are so pretty. And I have been wanting to use them forever and a day. I think I say that in every video. But they're so cute. And just so vibrant. And I just could not get these things to do what I wanted them to do as far as laying them right. So I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do me and I'm gonna do the best I can and just go with it. And I really like, I might have to come out a little bit more on that one. Let's put this down first. I think I put it like that, and then I put this in here to sort of layer it. Please don't tear. Alrighty. There we go. That's the way I wanted it. And then put this . I'm very particular, I'm sure you can tell, about how I lay my stickers because I want them to look a certain way. And if they don't look like that, I think it makes them look super weird. All right, so we only got a few more. I think this goes in here. Put that under there. Now, got another one. I think it really makes the pink in these stickers really pop. And I think that's why I really didn't mind to do that to the stickers, because it really brought out the colors. I just think it really turned out better than I'd hoped, frankly. So this one is going to go sort of like, nope. Oops, I just tore a sticker. These are so difficult to, well, we might just have to lay this down and leave it like so. You know, I hate to overlap a sticker, but there you are. Put that one like that. And then this great big one took me forever to get the leaves right. And this is wanting to tear, I'm telling you. You can't hardly leave these stickers for 2 seconds if they don't tear on here. I can get it up. I'm going to have to glue that down. Here we go. This big one here, this was the one that was the challenge to try to get. There we go. I think I got it. I can't believe it. There we go. Now, push all of these edges down really, really good, especially on these that have been colored on the edges because they want to come up. So, with that being said, we're going to turn this and I'm going to put my glue. There we go. Right there. Because I had one that was a little sketchy. Let's see. And I have this little tiny piece. I don't even know if you can tell it. I don't think that you can. And I think it's going to make more of a mess for me to try to fix than it's worth. So, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to edge our pages. Okay. Cut that off. I just love how the coloring ended up on these. And I really want to put this, I hate to Alrighty, now get my stuff off my scissors here. There we go. Let's edge that one real quick. Line it up and make sure it's all laying down. And like I said, if you want to take a page like this and you want to put lines on it, you can do that. I choose not to do that because I like to just be able to write across on my pages, and that works fine. The washies that I pulled for this one was to bring out all of the different coloring in this. And this was it's a Happy Planner. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby to bring out more of the blueness of these leaves. And then to bring out the green from the boots in the background on this, because this had the green and the pink, and this has the bluish green and pink. I use this more green, and it says, Grace, Love, Patience. And then this little pink one here that was like the bright fuchsia that matched this was also Happy Planner. So I think this one might have been Park Lane. I got it Joann's. So those were the washies that I used. And the book that, let me see, the book that this came from, these florals came from, is this book right here, Flowers. Beautiful florals in this book, guys. Beautiful florals. Pick that book up. It's a definite must-have. And then, again, this little sticker inspired it all. And it came from Lynnerdesigns. She has an Etsy shop, and I will link that below. I hope you enjoyed today's video in my journaling planner for the week of March the 9th through April the 4th. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Thanks for watching, guys.